A new generation of flexible welding automation is here. Compact trolley, welding robot, easy mobility across work areas, IP66 waterproof, adaptable to all scenarios. 6D joystick, real-time weld path trimming, precision teaching with no dragging required. Operators control the robot via a 6D joystick. Customizable buttons greatly improve efficiency. The collaborative robot follows welding paths smoothly, maintaining stable speed throughout the process. Watch the robot create smooth weld seams with steady motion and accurate control. Every weld is clean and consistent.